Have you ever wondered why kids seem to learn faster when they are just playing? Well, science says it's not just a coincidence. When children play, their brains release dopamine, the feel-good chemical that boosts memory and motivation. That means every time a child builds a tower, sings a rhyme, or pretends to cook, their brain is literally growing new connections. Play helps kids think creatively, solve problems, and remember better because they're learning through joy, not pressure. It's like sneaking vegetables into ice cream. They don't even realize how much good stuff they are getting. So the next time you see a child playing, don't rush to stop them. They're not just having fun. They are wiring their brains for success, one giggle at a time. Because when learning feels like play, it sticks for life.